Forests are vital to Colorado's communities, providing ecosystem services such as clean water, recreation, wildlife habitat, and resilient landscapes that will benefit us all. Ecological monitoring provides locally relevant scientific information to help inform decisions. Forests across the entire West and the United States and even the entire world are facing a lot of challenges. The most prominent challenge is wildfire. There's many other challenges: climate change, increased drought, bark beetles, and other forest pests. Ecological monitoring is designed to collect data before and after these changes occur and understand how these events change the forest and what are the outcomes of those changes. In particular, we monitor how forest management actions like thinning and prescribed fire affect conditions over time. Monitoring helps us understand whether these actions achieve their goals and provides the foundation for collaborative adaptive management, where the co-development of knowledge strengthens learning and improves future decisions.
The Monitoring Handbook is really inspired by requests we were getting from partners to help them set up their own monitoring programs. We wanted to compile all of the information that we have learned over our years of implementing monitoring to make it more accessible and so that people don't have to do their own trial and error.
We typically divide the way we collect data up into overstory trees, seedlings and saplings, surface fuels, and understory plants.
There are many things you can look at, and in different forest types and different treatment types, you may care more about certain options.
You just go to the publications page and search Monitoring Handbook. It'll be the first thing that comes up.
Yeah. Oh, there's some almost blooming yarrow.